Alright everyone, so today we are going to a place called Mava'S Cafe, which is located in Lynn, Alabama, and it is a predominantly small town, and there's like absolutely nothing there as much, nothing really much to do as well, no tourist attractions or any of that sort, but we're going there today. Join me today on this new adventure, and God, I'm looking forward to this. And it's just really small population of a town. There's really not much here, and it's gonna be my first time trying this place out. And I've seen it so much on like different reviews and stuff, but this is awesome. So I just pulled up here and look at all snazzy today. Woo! My 2K creepers, love them. But anyways, it's more or less a warm day today, bit humid, and just gonna check it out here. I've heard a lot of great things about this restaurant, and I'm gonna start doing the Hamburger Journey episodes again. If you don't know what that is, it's something I started out like a few years ago, where I go to like every single restaurant, try out the burgers, and how's it going?
Alright.
Well, try out the burgers and just do like a lot of reviews about them and give my honest opinion, perspective about it, and it's my journey. So this is awesome. Like I said, small little town. There's only like one chief of police here. The guy works by himself, so man, I guess apparently the mayor does everything around here. So this is like a really small town. I'm gonna check it out. This is my little vlog. I hope they enjoy it. Let's see. So if you're a local here, if you've ever been here before, check it out. Welcome to Mava'S Cafe. It says like us on Facebook. It's super cool that they're on like social media and stuff. Most cafes and restaurants, places are. It's pretty awesome. So this is what I got for myself so far. It's like Sprite soda, and it's weird. I don't typically drink soda, and if I do, it's typically like a once a month, or I usually have it if I'm like eating some like greasy food and stuff, like especially Chinese restaurants. I usually get like oolong tea from there and stuff. But man, like I said, I'm inside right now. I'm just checking this place out. It's really legit and it's awesome so far. It's very comfortable. Energy here is really great. Like I said, I got my soda. I actually just ordered for myself. I think just regular double cheeseburger, lard, onion rings with like everything on it. So that's what I'm having right now. It's really great. Can't wait to like try out the food, and I'm ecstatic for it. We go on another road trip on Saturday and check everything out. But so far so great. Hope every one of you are having a wonderful day so far. And like I said, it's been a bit humid outside, a little bit hot, and it's worth it. So it's really weird, like I said, to drink soda for me. I usually drink a lot of tea, coffee, water, alcohol here and there, but it's different. I don't know, I figure like apparently supposedly like Sprite is healthy for you and it's more natural. I like ginger ale. Ginger ale is like really good stuff. So I'm gonna waiting for my food. It's pretty cool, you know, like watching a little TV in the background over here. So. Alright, so this is amazing right now. So I just had got myself the burgers and the onion rings like I'm showing you here. This is incredible. Check this out. I got everything on her pretty much. Oh shoot, I gotta put this all back together. I'm gonna dissect it apart. I'm never able to put it back together. But yeah, this is all it here, and it smells amazing. And to see this in person is just absolutely amazing. It's like so much better than what you see on video. I'm sure if you're hungry, like that's one thing I've always talked about. I know, like, what I heard from like so many people saying that like whenever they watch my videos of doing reviews for food and stuff in particular, people will always get jealous and they're hungry when they're watching my videos, and when they see all this food and stuff, I'm like, God, and like it's like driving them insane with hunger, you know? You ever get that? You ever like watch things and like when you're hungry, then it doesn't really alleviate it, it makes it worse. So yeah, that's how I feel. God, man, it's been a year or two since the last time I've done any like vlog or like review on hamburgers or anything. The last time I had done it was like 2-3 years ago, back out in Arizona, and I believe it was like an IHOP or Denny's, one of the two. But this is awesome, so I'm gonna try it out and everything. This is gonna be great. I'm gonna start off with the onion rings first. That is seriously good. Okay, so this place actually won my absolute favorite onion rings of all time. I've tried out Burger King, I've tried out like every other place, but this is not. This is the most perfect, best onion rings I've ever had in my life. This is amazing. Alright, wow. The next one I'm gonna try out the burger. This looks absolutely amazing. It's mesmerizing if you're like hungry or anything. This is so great. Oh my God, that is like so divine. This is perfect. It's one of my favorite cafes and restaurants now. I'm definitely gonna come here more often now. It's like the meat in itself, it actually, the meat in itself is like, it's very tender, and it's like so well done that it's like soft and chewable, and I absolutely love this. This is amazing. One of my all-time favorite. One of my all-time favorite hamburger places out in Arizona was definitely Alice Cooperstown before it closed down in downtown Phoenix. And this place really comes close to it. Like, this is on my second favorite cafe for hamburgers and for onion rings. This is incredible to me. Oh my God, I'm in like divine heaven right now. You have no idea how it's been ecstatic and overwhelming and overjoyed that I am right now. Just eating this stuff. This stuff is like so great. God, this is so awesome. So this is my receipt, and the lovely waitress actually had just written this on her. This is so cool. I like it when people leave behind like cute little adorable awesome notes like this. This is so cool. God, I am like so full right now. I ate as much as possible, and you have to understand about me, like I eat small portions every single day. I eat like sometimes once a day, twice a day. Sometimes I eat more than I drink. Sometimes I drink more than I eat. Sometimes it's just a balance. Oh my God, it's just like so much. Quite a bit of food. You definitely get your money's worth for it. And look, this is how much I finished. Like, just a couple hours ago I had like a huge slice of pizza and some tea and stuff. Man, I'm in a food coma now. I definitely feel like I could fall asleep. This is amazing. This is amazing food. Big shout out to everyone working here, especially to the owner. You are amazing. Keep up the good work, and I'll definitely come back here more often. This is really great. This has earned a lot of my respect. This is so amazing. So I'm going to finish eating my food, and as you can see, I just got started. And I'm going to finish eating my food, and I'm going to conclude this video for now, because I'm not going to make the entirety of the video just like me eating. That would be like kind of boring a bit. So my name is Cody Gremlin. Subscribe, like, share, favorite, and hit that bell for notifications for future videos. I'm uploading videos every single day, and especially hope each and every one of you are doing well. I want to know how you guys are doing, how each and every one of you are doing. It's not about me, it's about you. Okay, so subscribe, leave your comments below this video. See each and every one of you soon.